If you're using RMS still for your business, you're missing out a lot, in my opinion. And from what I have observed, customers switch it from RMS to RMH, taking all the advantage of the modern tools, including loyalties, much more powerful management, store manager program in the back. There are way more ways to integrate with other methods, other industry-leading solutions with RMH. We see the tremendous benefit and contribution from upgrade to RMH. So if you are still using RMS, moving up to the RMH is not only upgrading and securing your future point of sale need, but also it's going to secure your more revenue growth for sure. This is what I have seen and it's proven. So I strongly encourage you that you upgrade from RMS to RMH, reach out to your local or your existing RMH dealer to start the process. If you